Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today we were just doing a little cleanup. Maintenance is what I call it. This is my ginger plant. One day we'll find out that one. And these will be here. I got 4 colors from the garden when she passed a few years back. And we're just anxious to see what colors they are. So I'm tempted to put them in the ground somewhere in the backyard here. We'll get there, we'll make a decision one day. But for now, we're just looking at what I was doing today in the garden. That was cleaning up, basically removing all that little pile of dirt over there. Eventually get over that way. I put over here my cactus collection, most of my cactus collection. I got a few of them somewhere out. Here's all my palms. I got about 7 to 10 different palm seeds germinating, and some are seeds. Here's my Madagascar tree collection. We get in there, it's another week or two when I'll start getting some fertilizer and taking the weeds out of the fresh soil. Boost the collection. And here we go, Chinese silk tree, Buddha bellies, olive tree, unknown tree, pencil cactus, another unknown vine, baby euphorbia, and blue jays, which I took from the cutting. That's little one right there, and hare's foot, which is a little strange. You can see it's a hare's foot. So these are several of the plants, and there's my, I won't say the word because it sounds like a curse word, tea plant, and a few of the other plants. This is the last one I got from her yard before she passed. Granddaughter brought it upstairs. I added this collection in Torium. Have to concentrate and put them into a feeling box and just sit back and see what moves. So just signing off on Dougherty's garden today. And we're still in the cleanup process. We got a few over before Mother Nature warms up to get into the crow's food. So as you stop by, say hello, like the video, let us know where you are. Thank you. Bye-bye.